Hello, it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the Lollipop prop for Cafe Utau from Shugo Chara, based on the artwork from the GraffArt CAFE. To make the Lollipop, I started with a 10mm foam dowel and then twisted it into a spiral. Once I was happy with the shape, I then decided where the dowel was going to go and used a silver Sharpie to mark the placement. Carefully use a craft knife to cut a hole through the dowel. Insert the dowel through the holes that we just cut, and we're also going to glue the coils in place as we go, and to fill up the hole in the center, I filled it with some more of the hot glue. I then used some wrapping paper to make a little bat template and use that to cut 2 bats out of some of the craft foam and glue them together except for in the middle. That's where we're going to slide the dowel. Add some hot glue onto the dowel where you want the bats to be, and then slide the bats into place. Fill any additional gaps with glue and press it into place. Then I painted on Mod Podge to seal the foam. I'm using gloss simply because that's what I've had on hand, but you could use matte as well. After the Mod Podge had dried, I painted the Lollipop. I went over the entire thing with a layer of the Armor Metallic paint in Gauntlet, which is black with kind of like gold flecks in it. And then for the white, I used the satin paint in the color Blizzard, just to have a solid base to work with, and then went over that with the Armor Metallic New Liberty. This is a slightly off-white paint, and I actually really like how it turned out. It definitely looked like a lollipop, that color and the sheen to it, but I thought the bat was a little plain, so I went over with some of the Dragonfly Glaze in the color, let's see, it's the Violet Blue Green Shift, just to give it a little bit more dimension and also to bring in the purples from the bow and the apron. And with that, the Lollipop is complete. A big thank you to Plaid for providing some of the materials used in this project. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching!